Well, good afternoon, friends. As the post-lunch session, a lot of people have gone for the rapid metro ride. Those who are left might be, as ever, you feel a little sleepy and all. In fact, we have been talking on various issues of the smart city since morning. And I think we have also been talking the urbanization. In fact, the secretary spoke in the morning about the heavy urbanization taking place. In fact, the story of a chicken and egg, that the population moves in first and then, the development and infrastructure come. That has been happening in India, and that is predominantly because of this, the country is developing and we don't have the capital funds. But I come from a city where we have done this in India, and I am fortunate where we had the opportunity to come up with a new city. And Naya Raipur, we started once after the state of Chhattisgarh was created out of Madhya Pradesh. And it was felt that we need a new capital city. And we started Naya Raipur. And we have tried to incorporate most of the things which we have been discussing since morning. And therefore, including that of the using of new technologies. And therefore, this presentation would help to set the tone for the panel discussion today. So I'll move fast with my presentation, wherein I would be telling how the city has come up and what new technology initiative we have taken up. So this is the city, which is the first smart greenfield city of 21st century. Total area is 237 square kilometers. And the phase one of it is 80 square kilometers, that is 8,000 hectares. So this is not a small township. In fact, when Chandigarh started, it was about 76 hectares. And ours, 7,600 hectares, while this is 8,000 hectares, so little more than that. And our planned population in 2031 is 5.6 lakhs. This is our vision, where happiness I have underlined just to show, and with all other things, sustainability, vibrancy, planned smart city. So for the site selection, various parameters were set in. There were 26 parameters, and for that, 8 global consultants participated, and 7 of them suggested for the present site. Where connectivity, we have excellent connectivity with the highways, the airport, the railway, then the availability of land, minimal arable land to be affected, and so on and so forth. We have a balanced land use, wherein the city should be complete in itself, where you create the jobs for the people within the city, and about 27% of the area is green. We've also been talking about NMT, so that is our part of basic planning. TOD, in fact, Secretary also referred about that, and I can really boast that Naya Raipur is the first TOD city in the country. We have not only incorporated the TOD in our development plan in 2015, but we have also started developing the city on the norms of transit-oriented development, wherein, vocability and the closeness, the triple length distance everyone travels for his daily course a day is called a triple length. So any intervention, passive or active, done to reduce this triple length. So this, as they say in Mumbai, average people travel 4 hours a day. So 1/6 of his life is gone in traveling, beyond harming the society, harming the environment. So TOD is really a good concept, and we have adopted fully. We have done about 100 kilometers of 4-lane, 6-lane road network. This is the actual photographs, whatever you are seeing here. These are all actual photographs. We have also done 55 kilometers of NMT in the last session also, and earlier also it was being discussed. So we have done separate cycle tracks and pedestrian pathways. We are supplying 24/7 pressured and metered water supply to the city, treated. We have gone in for decentralized STP network, because the city is going to grow in phases. It's all under gravity, and we recycle everything back into the city for maintaining the city greens, as well as for the flushing in certain sectors. We have done, every city, the network, electrical network is all underground. We have done 1433 kV substations already with ring mains and with redundant connectivity. We have also laid the optical fiber ducts, only the pipes, where any TSP could come in and blow his optical fibers. Few of them have already done. I think those who have seen the Philips presentation have seen these photographs. We have done 55 kilometers of LED street lighting 3 years back. And this street lighting is network controlled. Sitting here, I can switch off, switch on. I can have alternate lights switched on. I have the health of the system back, which helps not only in operations, but also in maintenance of the LED network. Bus rapid transit system, we have already started last year. Honorable Prime Minister started this. In fact, it was first of November 2016, where we run 30 air-conditioned buses. It's all GPS controlled, where online tracking of buses, electronic ticketing system, and passenger information system is a part of it. When you talk of the health and education, we have some good health institutions, almost all type of educational institutes, right from national level to city level. We have one of the largest man-made jungle safari, functional, which is about 800 acres. This is the Central Park. We have been talking about the greenery, you know, so we have a Central Park. This is a real picture of 1,500-seater amphitheater in the Central Park. This is International Cricket Stadium, which is second largest in the country. It has the capacity of 50,000 people. A lot of IPL and ICL matches have been held there. All government offices are functional since 2012. The capital, state capital is functional there, where the Mantralaya, the police headquarters, forest headquarters, and all the headquarters, directorates and commissionerates are functional. This is one of the residential sectors. We have around 10,000 dwelling units already in the city. 27% of the area is green. We also have a 500-meter wide peripheral green network around, which will make it the green. So no, this is the technology initiative which we have taken up. So having all the major infrastructure in place, to move on to the next level was the technology intervention, wherein the first level of intervention is already underway. Schneider Electric and Island FS are our partners. And most probably in March or April of first week of April, we will be launching this ICT initiative, which includes the city command and control center, which is center to the thing. The city surveillance system, utility management system, smart governance, intelligent transport, and the centralized command and control. Basically, these are the various layers: the sensor layer at the bottom and the service layer at the top, in between the backbone and the application layers. So our smart governance is most important, which includes the citizen-centric services as a single window disposal. Every citizen of Naya Raipur who is holding 1 square inch of land need not come to me right from the time he holds the land, including building plan approvals or utility connections or utility payments or property taxes or even grievances. And then all the billing module, the other modules are there. The city surveillance system, we have been talking, every other city has also done, this is also we are doing. The SCADA, which is electrical, water and sewerage, where it is not only getting the feedback, but also operational, remote operational. So we want the city to be not bottom heavy, where a lot of people are engaged, and therefore we have gone in for the operational SCADA, where remotely we will be operating all the substations, the water supplies network, the leak management system, detection and all. We are also integrating the existing street lighting network and the BRTS on the same. The intelligent transport management includes ANPR, speed violation detection, and integration of the BRTS. We are also doing the IBMS, which is part of the whole network, where HVAC, fire detection, alarm, electrical and water, access control, elevators, and asset management would be there online. And the best part is this is all integrated on the single backbone, single dedicated backbone, which we have laid in the city and on a single command and control center. This makes the whole project an integrated network project, where I don't think any other city has done all these things on a single command and control. So that is the specialized thing which we are doing. This is the actual photograph. On the left top, what you find is the command and control center building. On the bottom is the data center, then the GIS mapping, and the other key issues and dashboard are there. This project we have done without the Smart City mission on our own funds, what I have communicated. Now we are also selected as one of the smart cities in the third round, where we are now part of the Smart City mission, and we are awaiting the funds from Government of India to start other projects. Thank you.